Oh boy, woke up to this. It's another snowstorm, almost as big as the blizzard. Probably was some places. But anyway, still got some tree stuff down here. At least they got the trees down. So I got stuff cleaned up. Now I got still snowing. So I came out here and shoveled all of this. It's still snowing. Yeah. Oh boy. Look, still got the trailer. I loaded it up last night in the dark after they brought it back. It's got these shoveling this. Hey, it's just a little slick out here. That looks pretty cool. It's what I need. Wow. Awesome. Doesn't sound too good. I think he's going to try to pass him on a hill in the snow. Woohoo! Wow. Crazy. Oh well. He could barely make it up the hill. Yeah. Crazy. Of course, you know, after I shoveled, the plow came down here and plowed some in the drive. Yep. Still got me some brush out there. Put brush in the trailer. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Just another fun snowstorm. Oh. Yep. Go back here. Still got my brush and stuff back here. Somebody was cutting on that tree root. Still got shit back here, and got the ladder, got the gorilla cart. Yeah. Yeah, it's about all I can shovel. Still snowing, but I don't know how much more it's going to snow. Guess if they don't take all the brush, I guess I'll have to sit here and burn it. Yeah. Okie dokie. Yeah. Probably have to go over to the neighbors and start shoveling over there and using the snowblower Troy built. Yeah. Awesome.